of statistics. Statistics science of data collection, how to collect your data. You will learn how to collect your data, how to organize it in tables, organize it in databases, okay? How to organize it, how to present it, make a presentation in PowerPoint or make a presentation in graphs or on posters in different ways. And then how to analyze your data. How to analyze your data. Sometimes the analyze could be one figure, one number, could be mean value, or it could be graph to analyze it, and interpreting data. Interpreting data to explain what is behind this data. What's the analysis? What's my interpretation of this data? Why all these? To help me in taking effective decisions. This is type collect data, present data, summarize data. Is for statistics. Of course, we have talked about descriptive statistics. All this course, most of this course will concern on descriptive statistics. Okay, I have in our study, I need to know what's the difference between population and sample. Population is the entire set of all individuals or objects, like population of students at Arab Open University, like population of Saudi Arabia. It's all population. Some of peoples or places or things in one common definition. Is population. Sample is a portion taken from a population. Portion is taken from a population. We call it a sample. In statistics, there are something called inferential statistics, which is simply a mechanism is used to estimate. I want to estimate the properties of a population, estimate properties of a population based on a sample. Simply properties of a population. It could be mean value. Estimate from a sample. I take a sample mean value and generalized this mean value to population as a measure for this data. Inferential statistics. I can take standard deviation as a dispersion measure for my data. Okay. Of course, decisions can be taken based on a limited set of data. I've looked at this table. Types of variables. There are two types of variables. Variables either qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative, which is non-numeric variables like gender, male or female, gender, male, female. This non-numeric variable like marital status, single, married, divorced, widow. This type is called this non-numeric variable, like color variable, red, white, blue, green. All these is non-numeric variables, like gender, state of birth, eye color. A quantitative variable, which is numerical, like number of students in class. There are 38 students. It's number of students, 38. What's your salary? The salary is a numerical variable. Income, numerical variable. Variables which written in numbers, it's numerical variable. Okay? We'll talk about it more. Here, quantitative variable. It could be discrete or continuous. This numerical variable as a quantitative numerical variables. Numerical quantitative could be discrete or continuous. What is a discrete? What's the difference between discrete and continuous? Discrete can be counted. Result of counting. Values have gaps between the values, like number of bedrooms in a house, number of students in a class. Any fixed number it is discrete variable, which can be counted. Continuous variable. Also, it's a number, it's numeric, but it is a result of measuring something. What is measuring something? Like what is the time now? Time variable. I don't know the time unless I have to look to my watch. The time now is, for example, at 12:30. This number is taken from watch. We take it from clock. 5 o'clock, it's time. Like weight, variable weight. Weight is 75 kilograms. It's taken from balance by using device to take this weight. The height. If you want to know the height, you need to use a meter. Find your height, how many centimeters. All using measuring devices. Measure device like air pressure in tire. You don't know it unless you use a device. You use a device to measure the air pressure in a tire. Also the time, to know the time, need the clock. This called continuous variable. I need to know the difference between discrete and continuous because I need it in analysis. We'll see at the end of this course in analysis, we need to distinguish between discrete and continuous variables or random variables. Sometimes it's called random variables. This graph is taken from the book. Exactly, type of variables, either qualitative or quantitative. I say the quantitative, discrete or continuous. And these examples, discrete and continuous. Okay. Now, see this type of variables. Okay. Now, for variables, there are 4 different levels for measurements. We call level of measurements. There are 4 types. My variable, any variable, must be nominal or ordinal or interval or ratio. This interval or ratio, this numerical variable, the nominal and ordinal, it can be work for qualitative variables. Okay, let's talk about first one, nominal. This nominal level of measurement. Data recorded at the nominal level of measurement represented as a label or names. Nominal is a name, like what is your gender? Gender is nominal because you said it's male or female. What is your hair color? You can write as a number. Okay. Where do you live? Here, there. All these are nominal variable. Was nominal variable. The ordinal variable, second level is ordinal variable. Here is the difference. It's all It's all descriptive variables. But in an ordinal level, the arrangement is important. In nominal is not important. Like here, this example, how do you feel today? It's evaluation questions. Like I'm very happy, very unhappy, okay, happy, very happy. What's your satisfaction about the class today? Satisfied, very satisfied, not satisfied, not satisfied, not satisfied at all. There's there's 5 levels. For it's go from the worst to the best, or from the best to the worst. These five levels. This is called ordinal variable. Here is on relative ranking or rating item based on definition attribute. How satisfied are you with our services? Very unsatisfied, somewhat satisfied. Neutral, somewhat satisfied, very satisfied. All this is we call this ordinal. This is an ordinal variable. Third level is interval. Is for numerical variables. Here is the data has all characteristics of ordinal plus the difference between values are meaningful. There is no natural zero. Interval class is the numerical scales. It is considered as interval, like Fahrenheit and Celsius temperature scale, dress size, all this is considered as interval. There's no 0 point. If 0 point represents the absence of the characteristics, so it will be ratio level. Like wages, salaries, wages. If wages is 0, means represent absent. There's no salary, no wages. If it is value is 0, means no wages. The change in stock price, if it is 0, there is no, then the price, no price here. So point is in the absence of characteristic. But always ratio and interval is just almost it's used for numerical variables. This graph can show you this nominal, the lowest level nominal, then ordinal, which is named plus ordered variables, interval named plus ordered plus proportional interval between variables. And this one can accommodate absolute 0 for ratio. These are numerical, these are non-numeric variables. This is summary for level of measurements. Yes.
دكتور معليش ناخذ بريك للصلاة.
5 دقائق. 5 دقائق أخلص البرزنتيشن هذه عشان نصلي الظهر إن شاء الله. Okay. This question taken from previous list. Consider the graph of the orders done by customers in an Italian restaurants over a given week. This question, I give you this graph. This is actually called the bar chart. This is bar chart. We take it next chapter. Bar chart. What is the type of the variable under study? What is my variable here? It's types of pizza, types of products given by this restaurant. Orders done by customers and Italian restaurants. offer these 4 types of food. The restaurant offered 4 types. So this time, is it numerical? No, it is pasta, pizza, risotto, calzone. So all these are, we call this qualitative variables or descriptive variable. This is qualitative variable. It's not numbers, it's the names. Okay, according to customer, which is the most favorite order? What's the most favorite order? Which is this one, frequency 16, this frequency 15, 11, 8. So this is the most favorite order, which is calzone. You're right, calzone. How many orders were done during the week? How many orders? It's in 1 week. So 11 plus 15 plus 8 plus 16. Total of orders equal 50 orders. Here is the answer in red. This in black is the question. And red is the answer. What is the percentage of pizza order? How many pizza order here? 15. Total percentage, total is 50 times 100, which is 30%. Okay. This is a question. Okay. Other question. A sample of 500 customers were asked, how did you know about our product? How did you know about our product? It's 26% from radio and TV, 36% of customers from social media, 18 from friends, and 24 billboards. This customers answer for 500 customers. This call a pie chart. This call a pie chart. It's called a pie chart. It's called a pie chart. The other one is pie chart. This one is a bar, called a bar chart. This is a bar chart, and this is a pie chart. Pie chart. Okay. Here is a question. What is the type of the variable under study? It's customer satisfaction. Customer select radio, social, all these descriptive, it's non-numerical values. So this is qualitative variable. Suggest another graph can be used to represent this data. These descriptive variables, I can use either bar chart or pie chart. Or bar chart or pie chart. This is a pie chart, and this one is a bar chart. So what's the answer? I suggest use a bar chart. How many customers know about the product from billboard? How many customers from billboard? From billboard, 20%. How many customers? 20% out of the 500. Really 500 times 0.02, which is 100 customers. This we already took in BUS101. Okay.